Hi everyone, welcome to another ukulele beginner series video. So I keep explaining some of the basic chords in each one of my videos, so I thought I'll just make a video and link that particular video instead of explaining again and again, and also to shorten the length of the video if possible. So I'll start off with explaining some of the basic chords, and just know that with these four basic chords you can just play so many different songs. So one of the easiest and the basic chord that you learn when you start playing the ukulele is a C chord. So first of all, in terms of the string, the way that I am going to reference is the top one from your phrase is basically going to be the fourth string. So that's going to be 4, 3, 2, and then the bottommost one that you can reach is going to be the first string. So from bottom to top it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the reference of the strings. Again, in terms of chords, what we are going to do is each one of these boards is called as a fret, and when you hold a couple of frets together it becomes a chord. So in order to play the C chord, again it is very important that you use these particular fingers in order to play the ukulele when you're learning itself, because if you don't learn it properly and then you use whatever fingers you want, it's going to slow down the speed as you learn it. So just remember, again I'm going to reference the 5 fingers. To play the C chord, place your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the first string. So that is going to be your C chord. So the next easiest chord is going to be your A minor chord, and to play that, what you're going to do is you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string 2nd fret. So that's going to be right there. So that is going to be your A minor chord. And hold your A minor chord just like that. To play the F chord, F major chord, you keep your A minor just like that, and along with that use your index finger and place it on the 2nd string 1st fret. So that is going to be your F chord. So the next one compared to these 3 chords is going to be a little bit tricky. So that one is going to be the G chord. So for this you have to basically use your 3 fingers, and what you're going to do is just remember it to be like this. Just use your the index finger and the middle finger and place it on the 3rd string 2nd fret and the 1st string 2nd fret. So just place it like that, and then use your ring finger and place it on the 2nd string 3rd fret. So that's going to be your G chord. So before you start playing the ukulele or you start playing the songs, it is very important that you actually learn these 4 chords perfectly, at least with a down strum. So that's the down strum. And keep practicing by switching the chords as much as you can, especially if you are a beginner, because that is super duper important. Before I even started playing the songs, I had to practice the chord progression, which is switching the chords as quickly as possible, at least for the first 1 month continuously before I even got used to playing it. So it's that important. Just keep switching between the chords. So down and switch to A minor, switch to F, switch to G, C, A, F, G. And then once you start with a simple down strum, you can go with some harder strumming patterns and practice the chord progression. Like for example, I'm using down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So keep practicing, and I'll be back with more ukulele tutorial videos, and hope you like it. Thank you.